Hi, it's Abby, and here's another tech tip from Planet Mitsubishi.
Cabin air filters provide clean air to your vehicle's interior through the ventilation system. They do for the passenger compartment what the filter under the hood does for your engine. Only instead of keeping your engine healthy, they keep you healthy. Let's talk about why cabin air filters need to be replaced. It's actually pretty simple. Over time, cabin air filters fill up with dirt and contaminants. When that happens, they can no longer do the job they are designed to do. If you're noticing a musty smell or lower airflow through your ventilation, haze on the interior of your windows, those are all pretty good signs your filter needs to be replaced. Cabin air filters need to be replaced more often than you might think. As a rule of thumb, we recommend every 12,000 miles or once a year. Once replaced, you'll notice improvements in your driving comfort and in the efficiency of your defrosting, heating, and cooling systems.
For more information, just give Alan, our service manager, a call, or you can schedule your appointment online. And remember, we service any make or any model here at Planet Mitsubishi in Hickory and Charlotte.